Alright guys, welcome to the UK's premier Donington Park Audi TT channel. Today we're going to do a little test because we've got the Audi TT, the dark side Audi TT that you can see in front of us, like you've seen on this channel already this year. Very good, very nice, yeah? But what else have we got? We've got another one. Oh yes, remember they've got two. They've got two, right, yeah. But there's a difference going on with this one. What's the difference, Ryan? I can see carbon panels and I can see a funky looking engine.
It may be a diesel engine now.
Oh,
which is obviously superior.
So this is on brand for dark side, right?
The only thing that's going to ruin your comparison,
yeah,
is this is at Class B power and that's at Class A power.
Why is it Class B power?
We need to change turbo to go up.
Can you tune a map on it for me?
Yeah, we ought to do. But yeah, just see what you think anyway. It'll not be far off.
Well, we're doing a diesel versus petrol comparison today, and I thought this was Class A power, but never mind. We'll still do a diesel versus petrol comparison, won't we? Because I think that'll make a good video. But as Ryan was just saying there, apparently this is not chooching as hard as it could do. But it is lighter, believe it or not, it is lighter. They have done that with some carbon panels and some other things, but it's 50 kilograms lighter than the petrol one, right? 50 kilos. Remember the petrol TFSI DSG powered. This is a TDI, 2-litre TDI manual, right? Manual. So how does that work for you, right? Automatic petrol, diesel, manual, right? We're going to do a comparison of both cars today. Donington Park, the weather is looking fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Yeah. Lovely stuff, right? So we're just going out in the petrol TT now as Dylan, right? And he's a chap that we're sharing with at Croft next weekend. But he's not driven the car before yet, the petrol one, so he's going to go out now and have a look. We're on the GP track as well, so big GP track. The difference should be, because this is Class B power and this is Class A power, they should be within about 3 seconds, really, about 3 seconds I reckon. But yeah, let's find out. I don't know which one we're driving first, but I'll see you inside it. That's that one. That's the petrol one. Petrol one returneth. Readiest, flaggiest. That would be the 7th red flag of the day. Someone's gone off there looking to put shit all over the track, that's not good. Yeah, the steering's well off. I think I might just tell the lads to have a look at the car, and there's a weird noise from the front right. Kind of strange. Well, a couple of little issues for the petrol car then. Steering was way off and obviously we had that noise down Craners, but we're going to have a rip in the diesel one now, just before the end of lunch. Have a little go. Remember, it's running a lot less power, but we'll see how we can get on. Also, the wing has, the wing has left the chat, so perhaps not as aerodynamically efficient as this one, but maybe more efficient. I don't know. But it's a lot lighter. Remember, 50 kilos down on this. So let's go and see what it's like.
I don't know what you think anyway.
Is there anything I need to be careful with, or?
Yeah.
Just send it.
There's only half a rear spoiler now, so I don't know how that's going to affect it.
Maybe watch it down craners a bit.
Yeah. We'll see.
Alright.
We'll see.
Is it same suspension as that basically?
What's that?
Same suspension?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, they should be pretty much the same. The only thing that's different this is fully seam welded now.
Is it?
And it's got the Enquiries revision build signs on it.
Right. Fucking rapid then.
See what happens.
Nice one. Cheers. Wow, the clutch is super heavy. Yep. Oh, do you want to do the net? Clutch is super heavy. Sweet. Right. Diesel TT. So 6-speed manual. Feels nice in here. Spoiler's wobbling about like fuck, it's probably going to die. We'll see. Yeah, a lot of boost cutting, we've got another red flag. That must be 11 or 12, we're not even at lunchtime yet. Crazy. It keeps like boost cutting in corners, like choo 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 choo.
Surging. Yeah, that's what we're trying to fix.
Oh, you know about it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Go alright?
It's just going like surging.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Just a lot though. Is it a lot for you?
Yeah, but because you're not revving it enough.
Is that what I'm doing?
Diesel, rev it.
I'm not even getting shift lights on.
Well, that's why it's surging then.
I need to be aerodynamic revs.
2,000 RPM. You're not going at shops and you're not in it. Get your toe down.
Yeah,
You're scared because you over-revved everything before.
yeah, I was over-revving it before.
You'll never over-rev it on way up. It's on way down, you'll learn.
Speaking of TTs, looks what's broken down and caused that red flag. It's a TTCR. Ooh, that was a snappy one. Ooh, very nice. Look, it's not raining today, so we should be all right. No drifting. another red flag. Trying to get a scenic shot with these jets. Now about red flags. Welcome to Donington Park. There's a Tesla. Another one. Attempted spoiler on that. Where's your end plates gone?
You what?
Did it have end plates on it?
You did have.
Both gone.
Shoot this end loose, obviously, isn't it? Look at carbon foil.
Why is it doing that?
Whoa.
Right, we're off out for another go in Le Diesel, yeah? So far we've done a 44, I think, or 43 in petrol. What can diesel do? Right, back out in diesel. Back out in diesel. Denzel TT. TDI. Right, I wanted you to go.
You what?
I wanted you to go for another lap.
I had high oil temperatures.
Ah, it feels good this, man. Have you driven it yet?
No.
You need to drive it now.
Yeah.
So we had a little play that time with the Golf. That was good fun. The Golf, same engine, same power and everything, but the Golf's a little bit heavier than the TT. So, yeah, all good. It's got a bit of a moment down the hairpin, trying to keep up, but yeah, TT felt good. I just never really got a clean lap, but what can you expect, really? So yeah, car we're going good then. Hard to benchmark really, because it's definitely a lot slower in the straights. I mean, barely even changing gear either. You're just kind of keeping it in fourth for the whole lap, which is kind of crazy, right? But it seems to work all right. I did match the time, 43, but you know, maybe we'll have some more laps in the petrol one later and best that even more. But yeah, I can't really compare them because they're not really equal power, are they? But for the sake of the YouTubes and sticking with the titles, it's the same car but very different. There you go.
What's up? It's a diesel.
Sorry?
It's a diesel.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit on train curves and that one.
Yeah, I will only part throttle so it'll smoke a bit. I'll get it checked out. Right, I'll get it back to it fixed.
Oh dear. Das ist nicht good. You're going in garage too, it's empty. You like coming back on trailer, don't you?
I love it. Yeah. That's like CV grease all over me. That's it.
Where's that meant to go like?
It's a bright old look like it's meant to go to like 8 measurements.
Ah, right. Come on, the mechanics engage. Fuck man, this must be like the 20th fucking red flag of the fucking day, easy. Alright, we're done. Another day at Donington, just blasting about. So, what's better, diesel or petrol? Today, the diesel was better, lower power, but funnily enough, I did the same lap time in both cars, 43s, right? Even though this one's only running about 240 brake per tonne, and this is nearly 300 brake per tonne, you know, it's a lot faster, a lot faster. like the trap speeds will be a lot more, the aerodynamics are working a lot better on that. Obviously the wing shit itself on this one as well, but yeah, still same lap time in both. So what does that show? Does that show that diesel is inherently much faster than petrol? No, it does not. It shows that a good alignment can make all the difference. Yeah, good alignment can make all the difference. I was not confident in the TT today in the petrol one. Now I'm racing next weekend with Darkside. We're doing Croft, we're doing practice session, we're doing road sports, and we're doing a club enduro. We've got a full weekend of TT racing. The patrons said aye, so the eyes have it. The eyes have it. Now are we going to race in Class B in the diesel one against Scott in his Golf, or are we going to race Class A in the petrol one against Josh and Luke and Rob from area and all those chaps that we've seen racing in those Golfs and all the M3s in Class A? I think I'd prefer to be in Class A. I'm a bit gutted they haven't quite been able to get the diesel one up to Class A, certainly just yet. I think there's some rumours that maybe they'll stick a bigger turbo on it or whatever, but the problem is you need to really start in the class you want to finish in, especially if you're going for championship points and stuff. You can't just move from Class B to Class A and take the points with you. That's not how it works. All in a good day though. Done some good laps in both cars for sure. Yep. I stopped myself from going out in the Golf or the RS3. I just stuck to the TTs today. We're finding out what's better, diesel or petrol, right? What's better, diesel or kerosene? Fuck off, kerosene. What's better? Well, I'll tell you what, today the diesel won. The diesel won for sure. I mean, to do the same lap time with 60 or probably more like 80 horsepower less, right? To do the same lap time, that says a lot, doesn't it? Even though we just kept it in fourth for pretty much 80% of the lap, if not more, right? That's pretty crazy, isn't it? Torque monster. Like I say, it's a bit unfair on the rules this year anyway for the diesel ones. The same in Class B as well. They've got to run at 1.05 multiplier, so this can only be, if it was Class A, 280 brake per tonne, which means it would need to be about 310 horsepower. I don't think they're going to squeeze it that much. I think they could get out of it, but could they get out of it and do 2-hour races in it? I don't know. Yeah, the one thing I didn't like about this car was the throttle modulation. It was kind of on-off the throttle. That was about it really. Everything else felt pretty good, but yeah, the petrol one not having a good day again. Yeah, the exhaust was a lot quieter for sure, but suspension, alignment all over the shop, not good at all. That definitely needs sorting for next time. But I'm actually at Croft with these chaps again this week. Obviously we're racing next week, but we're doing a track day this week. I'm going to take my Civic up there as well. So the next video you might see might be that, might not be, might be the sponsorship video in between. I'm announcing some sponsors of the channel. If not, I'll see you at Croft. Hopefully the TT will have a better alignment and we can get a better feel for it, right? Because you know, we're going to Croft, which is where we're racing, so you know, we'll get a good feel for it then. But yeah, today I would say the diesel has it. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed a little Audi Darkside. Another one from Donnet, what the hell. Well, you know, it's nice to get out in it. Better than being at work, eh? So thanks for watching. I'll see you in a future video.